Hello students, so today I am there with a new video. In the previous video we have talked about the introductions and weightage of each unit. In this video we will go through the asexual reproduction and its types in brief. So now we will go through the asexual reproduction. What is asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction, it is a reproduction in which single parent is involved and no gamete formation is there, no fertilization is there. If gametes will be not there, then fertilization will be also not there, and it takes place by mitosis division, in which the number of chromosomes they are diploid. It means double. So now we will go through its types. So asexual reproductions, it is divided into 4 types. First is cell division, which is divided into fission, budding and sporulation, and today we will go through this only with an example. The next is fragmentation, regenerations and vegetative reproduction. So now we will talk about fission. Fission, what does fission means? Fission means to break. Fission means to break. So here, on the basis of the number of daughter cell, it is of 2 types, binary and multiple. Now binary as we know, it means 2. So here the mother cell or the parent cell, it divides into 2 daughter cells, and multiple, it means that the parent cells, it divides into more than 2 or in number of daughter cells. So first we will go through the binary fission. So here in the binary fission, we will see that how the division takes place. It means that how the cells divide. So see, before the word division, we will see that here 2 types of division take place. One is your cytokinesis and the another one is your karyokinesis. Cyto means cytoplasm and kinesis, which means to break. Similarly, karyo, which means nucleus, and kinesis means break. So binary fission, 2 division take place. One is your cytoplasm and one is your nucleus. So how the division takes place? So we will take an example. In binary fission, the most common example which we always go through is amoeba and paramecium. This is the most common example of binary fission. So we will see that how the division takes place. So now amoeba. We know that amoeba, it is not having any shape. It is irregular in shape and it contains nucleus and cytoplasm. So this is the nucleus, cytoplasm, and it is a unicellular organism. Now how binary fission will take place? So here what will happen? That this is the parent cell. Now here the nucleus, which means the division or breaking of nucleus take place, which is called karyokinesis. So what will happen? So here the nucleus, it will start getting enlarged, and then slowly this nucleus, it will get constricted. It means that a point will be made, and at last what will happen? that this nucleus, it will get divided from the middle along with the cytoplasm, and then two daughter cells are formed. So this is your binary fission. It means that here what is happening, that the mother or the parent cell, it is divided into two daughter cell. Now we can also see this daughter cell like that. So now we have seen that here the mother cell or the parent cell, it has divided into two daughter cell. So these are called daughter cell. So what is the number of this? 1, 2. That's why it is called binary fission. An example is amoeba and paramecium. It is said that the organism which divide by binary fissions, they are immortal. Immortal means that they never die. How it can be there? Because you can see that now a single parents, it has divided into two. Now again it will divide into two. And like this, the continuity will go on. So where it is dying? It is not dying. That's why we say that they are immortal. It means that single-celled organisms, they are immortals. Now we will go through the multiple fission. Till here you understood? If any problem, any doubt is there, you can directly contact me. So now we comes to multiple fission. So in the previous, what has happened? That single parent cell, it has divided into two. Now here what will happen? An example is Plasmodium, which causes malaria. So here what will happen? That the single parents, here the nucleus inside only, it will start dividing, and the number of nucleus will be divided into large number. And after that what will happen? Now this each nucleus, it will become single, like that, daughter cell. So we can see that single parents, now it has broken into number of daughter cells. So here number of daughter cells are more. That's why it is called multiple fission. So first karyokinesis process took place. It means that the nucleus, it broke down, and after that the cytoplasm, it start broken, and then here it forms the daughter cell. After that we will go through the budding. Budding. Bud means it is an outgrowth which is there in the parent cell. So budding, it is also a asexual reproduction in which outgrowth takes place. Here on the basis of the formation of birds, it is two types, endogenous and exogenous. So exogenous and endogenous. So what is exogenous? In which the bird are formed outside the parent cell, outside the parent body. And here endogenous, bird are formed inside parent body. Example, here Hydra and yeast. And example, Spongia, which is the only one freshwater spongia. So now we will see that how the budding it takes place in Hydra and yeast. So what is the budding? Budding is an external outgrowth or the formation of a bud which is attached with the parent's body, and when it develops such that it can sustain, then it gets breakdown from the parent's body and fall down, and from there new organisms or new species start. So now we will go through with the diagram. So Hydra. Hydra, which is attached with the substrate. Here same like that. So it is the parent's body and it is the daughter. Daughter and parents, which is attached with the substrate base. After that, what will happen? This outgrowth, we can see that this bud, it is formed outside the parent's body. That's why it comes under the exogenous. Now here what will happen? This bud, it will be attached with the parent's body till it is able to survive alone. And then what happened? That after it gains some height, or when it is able to sustain, it breaks down. And now here it will start developing in a parent's body. So here what we can see, that from the parent's body a bud is developed which is attached with that, and when it is able to develop, it get breakdown or it get dispatched, and then it start developing itself. So like this we can see that continuation take place. So it is a Hydra. Now we will talk about endogenous. So what example we have taken? That was your Spongia. Okay, it is one of the freshwater sponge. So here the sponges, what happened here? The birds, it is formed inside the parent's body. How? See. Here the sponge, it is attached with the substance. Here an opening is there which is called micropyle. And inside that bud is developed. And this bud, it start developing inside and like that, and it is covered with a gelatin cover. So inside developing bud, it is called gamuse, and outside it is covered with a gelatinous cover. And like that, hard endoskeleton is there which is called spicules. So here we can see that the birds, it is developed inside the body, and when it is fully developed, it comes out through this micropyle, and then it falls down at the in a level, and then it starts developing into a new organism. So like this the continuity go on. So this is endogenous and it is a type of body. Now the last topic, that is your sporulation. So sporulation means here it is the process of formation of spores. And example is bacteria and fungi. So here what happened? These spores, it's developed into the parents, only the inside a cover, hard cover, and these spores, they are very light weighted and they are also known as zoospores. Later we will discuss what is zoospores, what is chlamydia, but here we will go through that here spores are formed, and when the parent's body it get mature, it bursts, and after bursting this spores it get into the air, and wherever the place it get attached there, and then it start developing into a new organism. So like this sporulation take place. So for today till here only. In the next video we will explain and go through the more types of asexual reproduction.